Do you want to change bio on Facebook? You can edit your bio on Facebook profile with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To change your bio on Facebook, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you are on Facebook, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your Facebook profile screen. At the top of the screen, tap on the Edit button. A new screen will appear with different options. Below your profile picture and cover image, you will see the Intro section. Find and tap on Bio to add or change it. Now, type your new bio text. You can add emojis, short quotes, or a description within 101 characters. Once done, tap the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Now, your new bio will appear on your Facebook profile.